to be successful, you have to be consistent with literally anything you do, and especially with social media. If you're trying to grow your page, you have to be consistent and create content. I don't want to say daily, but yeah, you have to do something. You have to post something daily. I know it's bad to say it, but you don't want anybody to forget about you. That is my rule of thumb. So, how to be consistent on social media. I'm gonna say social media because this applies for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. YouTube is a little battle for me, but I'm popping on Instagram and TikTok. They love me over there, so I'm just trying to translate that on YouTube. But anyway, what I do basically is recycle content. So what I post on one thing, I'm going to post that exact same thing on every other platform, but in different ways. For instance, so on YouTube will be the long form videos. It's gonna be about what, 30-45 minutes. But on TikTok, you can't post that long videos. So the max is about 10 minutes, but I'll do 1 minute and cut up sections of that long vlog that's on YouTube. And same for Instagram. I will post about 15-second video, but it's all from that one video. But that's a good idea, right? But what are you going to post? When you realize everything that you do is content, I feel like it changes everything you think about. And what I mean by that is, for instance, on my vlogs, I vlog literally everything. And everything that I do is content. Like for instance, me getting my matcha, that could be a short reel or a short story. Just me picking up my matcha. So think about that when you do content creation. Now I know this video is supposed to be a tutorial on what to do, and I'm going to explain exactly how I do it. So you can use ChatGPT, AI basically. Go to ChatGPT and then ask them to get... Alright, we're signing this video. Ask ChatGPT to create you a list of videos for you to film. And that is going to be a cheat code. Okay, it's going to be a cheat code. And actually, within less than a few seconds, they're going to give you a list of videos. And you can go pick through which one you think is the best and just film that. So for YouTube, tutorials is the best way to build your audience. Daily vlogs, which is what I like, is not good, especially if you're in the beginning building your audience, because they don't know who you are. So weekly vlogs is not good when you start out, but I love to vlog, so I still do it. But I try to incorporate little tutorials here and there throughout, you know, my content journey. So that's basically it. Everything you do is content, and use AI to help you with different ideas to post. Yeah, I know this video was I'm always just doing something on a whim, but I feel like it's helpful. Like, if you want to be an influencer, content creator, is just create content and post it. That is it. Just post it. Now on Instagram and TikTok, it was fast for me to grow. I don't know, over there the algorithm is amazing. Okay, so on TikTok I have about 25,000 followers, 20,000, and then versus on Instagram I have 80,000. But let me explain how I got all those followers, because a lot of people think I pay for followers. I don't pay for followers because I am very frugal. I'm a struggling college student. No, I'm not gonna pay for followers. How I got followers were, I posted a video, it went viral. That's how I got all those followers, especially with YouTube. I posted one video and got the followers that I have, but it's a little bad. I'm trying to work on with that. But for Instagram and TikTok, Instagram and TikTok, I posted a video, got viral, and that's how I got all my followers. I'm just trying to push them to go to YouTube. I'm trying to build my YouTube channel. But that is basically it. Just continue to post, and once you post and do go viral, keep posting. You can't just stop. And that was a downfall for me. I fell into the trap and I stopped posting. But anyway, once you go viral, continue to post, because you want to continue to grab more followers. That is it. That's it. Alright, that being said, I need to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini video on how to grow on social media.